was just gonna show you like that. Yes, I did get a new car. No, I haven't made a video on it yet. Most of you already know what it is, but I figured we should actually debut it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm heading out west right now to actually work for a couple days. Me and the boys are shooting some content for The Gathering again in Banff. I filmed for them last year and I gave a little explanation, but if you want to check out what The Gathering is and the person who organizes it, check out The Gathering. And flock, holy shit, that was close. Yeah, if you want to know more about it, check out The Gathering and check out Ryan Gill Shares, because that's who we're shooting content for while we're out here. I figured while we're out here, what a better place to debut this beautiful car than out in the Rocky Mountains. That's what we're gonna do today. Something else to note moving forwards is this channel is going to be a little more car-centric and camera-centric. So if you like what you see today with kind of the behind-the-scenes of shooting cars, that's kind of what I want to focus on, is some nice polished-off car content with a little bit of behind-the-scenes how-to stuff like that. So if you like what you see here today, that's kind of what you're going to be getting from now on. Of course, there's still going to be memes, there's still going to be roasting your cars and other good stuff, but we're mostly keeping it about the cars and cameras, maybe some cats. So I hope you like it. So that was pretty cool, hey? So this is it. This is my 2013 3-liter supercharged V8.5 S4 laced to a 6-speed manual transmission, because I've been looking for this spec for a while. I've actually been looking for this car for like 3 years, and I came across one that was in black, that had a manual transmission. So I pretty much like put a deposit on it before I even had any money, because I just knew I was gonna get it. So that's where we're at right now. It's kind of bittersweet because the previous owner did half the mods that I was already wanting to do. So he's done the intake and the blower pulley upgrade and the accompanying tune for that. So it's pushing around 400 horsepower maybe, won't know for sure until we do the crank pulley and that accompanying tune, and that's gonna push us to almost 500 horsepower. All I've really done to it so far is some cosmetic stuff. I did the tail lights in like a gun smoke gray because I don't like going like full black, and then I put, you know, that really dumb aggressive carbon diffuser on it. But yeah, down the road this is gonna kind of be some new content for you guys. It's gonna be me building this thing. So performance mods, like I said, we're gonna do the crank pulley, a new tune, hopefully exhaust, and some cosmetic shit. We're gonna do coilovers, wheels. I want to do the RS grill, front splitter, a whole bunch of shit. You guys are gonna come with me, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna do it together. Some things I need to address immediately for you guys. I know audio is really shitty. We're just vlogging on the Canon, which I don't have an external mic for. I also know my facial hair's got some crazy shit going on at the beginning of that for some reason. I don't know what was up with that. Something else too, I know there's mad flicker in pretty much this entire video. The LED lights in the Gala, and then the lights of the car. My current run and gun setup gives me full control over my camera from my monitor. But it doesn't give me access to my shutter degree, so it's a lot of work to go into the settings to change that to compensate for flicker. So a lot of times I just kind of have to make that sacrifice. One example, I actually fixed the flicker in post, is the LEDs when we did the slow push in on the shift knob. That was a flicker that I fixed in post, but the rest of it's just kind of, you just got to make the sacrifice and use that footage sometimes. I tried to detail my car in Banff before we shot it, but driving around Banff in the middle of winter is damn near impossible to keep your car clean. And apparently it's even harder to keep your DSLR sensor clean. So in half of my footage, I got a real nice little speck on the screen, which is driving me crazy. So I lost half my footage to that. So that wasn't very cool. It's Monday, the weekend's wrapped out. Shot all our content. Turned out really good. I'm headed to Camino right now to go meet Dave to drop off all my footage and dump cards for him. And then I'm headed to Brent's house where he's actually picked up some roof racks for me, and we're gonna shoot assembling our new camera rig onto this car. So that's really exciting. Look for that in a video this week. That's gonna be really cool. But yeah, hopefully you guys are liking what you're seeing, because that's kind of how we're shooting things moving forward. We're gonna do camera shit, we're gonna do car shit. I hope you like this new car. If you don't, I don't care, because I love it. And that's kind of what we're doing here from now on, is building cars and shooting cars and doing cool camera stuff with cars. So I hope you like it. And cut.